How to change chat lock password in WhatsApp. First of all, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. Then go to Settings. Next, tap on Privacy and scroll down until you see the chat lock option. Tap on it to access the locked chat section. Here you will find the option to unlock and clear locked chats. Tap on it and you will get a confirmation message saying that locked chats will be cleared and unlocked. You will see two options, Unlock and Clear and Cancel. Tap on Unlock and Clear to remove the existing chat lock. Currently, WhatsApp doesn't provide a direct option to change the chat lock password. Now you know how to change chat lock password in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.